Hello, parents and guardians. My name is Victoria Ayala. I am the Parent Resource Assistant here at Markham Middle School, as well as the Parent Training Lead in Technology for the program School to Home. Today, we are going to learn what the School to Home program is about, how you can benefit from it as a parent or guardian, and what you can expect this semester. Suggestions as you navigate this presentation. Feel free to pause the video for any clarifications you might need or to take notes. You can rewind the video for any information you might have missed. Write down any questions you want to ask us and contact us for any clarifications. Our contact can be found during this presentation. And take breaks if you need to. So, what is School to Home? School to Home is an initiative of the California Emerging Technology Fund, a public benefit foundation established in 2007 by the California Public Utilities Commission to close the state's digital divide and academic achievement gap. School to Home is working at all ends with the school, collaborating with administration, teachers, students, and parents to better navigate the use of technology. This is our School2Home team. As I mentioned before, I'm the parent training lead in technology. Mr. Arroyo is the teacher training lead. Ms. Mejia is student training lead. Mr. Ramos is our technology lead. Ms. Kawasaki is our administrative lead. And Ms. Martinez is our affordable broadband lead, which is affordable internet. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact your School to Home parent training lead, which is myself. My email and my phone number are below: victoria.ayala@lausd.net and 323-546-9332. I do recommend, if you're going to contact me via phone, to please send me a text message just in case I happen to be helping a parent or something. I can get to you as soon as I am able to. So we're going to talk about how to use a searching browser for those parents who are not familiar with how to navigate the internet. So a browser is technically anything where you can search on the internet, like google.com, for example. So what we're going to look for today is our new Markham website. And one thing to keep in mind is that we're going to help you find the School to Home page for anytime you want to catch any of our trainings. This is how you'll be able to find them. So we're going to go to google.com. We're going to write new Markham. See, it already pops up here. And here you can see all of our information via the Google search. You can see our address, our phone number, link to our website, and here is the website itself. So here on the website, you will always see whatever our next meetings are, or if there's any information that's very important that it's the first thing that we want you to see. You will always be able to find it here. In any other case, our calendar is where all of our information is and all of our links to our meetings. So you can look there anytime you want to check out what parent meetings we have for you. Our next workshop is going to be the digital literacy on September 22nd. So be sure to check that one out. So to find the School to Home page, you want to go to the Parents menu and go down to where it says Tech Trainings. So when you click on Tech Trainings, you're going to see here the workshops that we have available. These two are from last year, but are still considered relevant, especially Module 4, which is the Schoology one, which we will also be teaching this semester in person and online. We have extra trainings, our home, where we can talk more about what we're here for and what we can do to help you as a parent to help your student achieve academically. Our contact information and our exit tickets, which are how we are going to be able to give you credit for participating in our technology training program. There are going to be 5 sessions, which I will go into in a bit. So when you click here for exit tickets, you will be able to find each one. So for example, today's video is Introduction to School to Home. So when you're done, you would click this link to fill out a very short survey where you let us know how you felt about the training, how we can better assist, and what you are interested in learning. So we're going to go back to our presentation. So here's a list of all of the workshops that we will be offering for parents this semester. You're required to take all five workshops in order to gain a real understanding of how the platforms that the students use in school work and how you can use that to your benefit so that you can assist your child in doing better in school. So, our first workshop is going to be digital literacy. Our second workshop is affordable broadband and how to use your phone as a tool. The third workshop is Schoology or learning management systems. Fourth workshop is digital citizenship. And our fifth workshop is how to benefit from tech in your everyday life. We're going to go into a bit about what you're going to learn in each of these workshops during this introduction presentation. And then we're going to ask you for some feedback for this last one here on how to benefit from tech in your everyday life. So stay tuned. And at the end of this training, we're going to teach you how to sign up for Remind App so you can get all of our notifications and be up to date with anything going on at school. So, workshop one is digital literacy. During digital literacy training, we're going to learn how to obtain an email address if you don't already have one. You're going to learn how to sign up for Parent Portal, learn what Schoology is used for and what it is, how to navigate Markham's website, like we did a little of just right now, a few minutes ago. Use technology to contact teachers and staff. There are several ways to do this, and we're going to go through all of them and then sign up for Remind App, which is how we mainly communicate with our parents, and it's how you can get all of your information really fast. Workshop 2 is going to be about affordable broadband and how to use your phone as a tool for those of you who have a phone with internet but do not have internet at home. You can use it while you get internet. During this training, we're going to find affordable broadband options for your area of service. We're going to explore the Human IT website, which was recommended to our parents by the School2Home program. We're going to use your phone to connect to different platforms like Zoom, Parent Portal, and Schoology. And we are going to rank resource options so that you can find the perfect service for you. Workshop 3 will be about Schoology, which is a learning management system. Here you're going to learn how to connect your Parent Portal account to Schoology. You're going to learn how to check assignments and grades online, how to message teachers to ask questions, and explore your students' classes. Workshop 4 will be on digital citizenship. This one will talk about the importance of keeping your child safe online, talking to students about cyberbullying and safety online, monitoring your students' use of technology when browsing the internet and social media like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, for example, and using common sense media to find age appropriate resources and multimedia for you and your students. For workshop 5, we're going to talk about how to benefit from tech in your everyday life. We'd like you to stay tuned to the end of this meeting where we're going to be giving a survey. Even if you're watching it as a video, you're going to see a QR code that you can scan. And I also taught you at the very beginning where you can find our exit tickets if you can't get it through our QR codes. So in this training, we're going to ask you to let us know exactly what you'd like to learn for this session, and we're going to plan around your responses. At the end of the semester, those participants that have completed all five technology workshops will participate in our first annual School2Home graduation. So we'll be having a little ceremony here at school, most likely in the Parent Center, where we're going to celebrate that you have learned how to use technology effectively for yourself and your students. If you're still not connected to Remind App, we really do recommend that you connect because this is our main way that we like to contact parents. We do send phone calls home, but we do feel also that it's easier for parents to receive a message as opposed to a phone call letting them know what's going on, if there's a meeting, an emergency, anything going on at school. This is how you can find out instantly, and you can even ask questions and get responses straight from administration from Remind App. It's super easy to sign up. All you have to do is text the phone number 81010, and then on the message section, you write at 7236D9. Once you send this message, it's going to say that you might be charged for sending it, but you will not, because we as a school pay for this program for parents to be able to use it for free. And once you send your message, you will get a response back either asking you for your name and if you're a parent, or your birthday, so that it can put you in the right category for the Remind app to receive messages. So we're going to have a tiny lesson on reading QR codes, just in case you are not familiar with it. If you have a newer phone, your phone is most likely already equipped with a QR reader. All you have to do is open your camera. You don't even have to take a picture of the code. You turn your camera on, face it towards a QR code, and you're going to see where it says, do you want to go to this website? Then you click. So that's where you would click. You don't take a picture, just click when it gives you the option. It'll look different on different phones. Sometimes it's just a little circle that looks like a code, and you click it, and it's going to take you directly to wherever that link goes to. So this one is linked to our School2Home page, just as a sample. If your phone doesn't have this feature on it, you can always go to webqr.com. That's webqr.com. And you'll see the option to scan a code with that one, which will also use your camera. Here's a few other QR codes in case you would like to practice and check out some of the cool resources that we have for parents. Now that we've learned how to use QR codes, I'm popping back in with an updated slide for spring 2022. To fill out our exit ticket, you can go ahead and scan this code here, and it'll take you right to the page where you're going to click on the Introduction to School2Home. Or you can go to newmarkham.com/exit tickets. We're going to click just so that you can see what it looks like. So when you click or go to that website page, you're going to click on this first one so that you can fill out our information. It's pretty short, very straightforward, and we just want to know where you're at with technology and how you feel about where we're headed with this semester of workshop videos. It's always good to keep contact so that we can provide you with the information that you want to learn regarding technology. So we're back at the presentation, and we're going to go to our last slide, which is for next workshop. Our next workshop is the first official training video, which is workshop 1, digital literacy, and it will be Wednesday, February 16th at 9 a.m. Considering what's going on currently with COVID, we will be proceeding with only Zoom instead of in person as well. So you can find the link if you go to newmarkham.com/calendar. And on the 16th, we will be learning how to navigate the school website, send emails to staff members, register for parent portal, and link to Schoology. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you through the rest of the semester. This is going to be a great learning experience, and like I said before, we want to work with you, collaborate with you, so feel free to let us know what it is that you're interested in learning, and we will cater to your interests. Have a good day.